Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and I love to travel. Today we're going to talk about packing carry-on only and why I think you should start packing carry-on only if you don't already. Packing carry-on only allows you to move in and out of the airplane with all of your stuff and not have to wait at the baggage claim for your checked luggage. It allows you to be efficient, portable, and it's also convenient. Now the bags that I use when I pack carry-on only consist of a hard-shelled bag. This is the bigger carry-on from Away. One of the things that I like about it, it includes 4 wheels, so that makes it very easy to maneuver around airports and other locations. This one also includes a portable charger for all of your devices, such as your phone or tablets. You can get the Suitcase without the portable charger, so that does save you a little bit of space if you get it without the charger. Some airlines do require you to take this out if you are going to stow your suitcase in the overhead compartment, which is not a problem since it easily pops in and out. And I usually have it with me when I'm flying anyway instead of keeping it in the suitcase, but that's a great little storage area for it. For my personal items, I choose between one of 2 bags. So I have the Everywhere bag. This is from Away also. I really like it. It's clean, classy. So if I'm going for a more professional look, this is probably the bag I would choose. It fits under the seat in front of me, so I like that. It also has a sleeve that you can slide this over the handle of your rolling bag and be hands-free that way. It's nice and big, has some great compartments in it, so it holds a lot for a personal item, and again, it fits under the seat in front of you, so that's a great option. The second option for a personal item is a backpack. So I have the Case Logic Berkeley 2 backpack. So this is what I actually used for my personal item when I spent 12 days in Italy, is this backpack and the Away bigger carry-on. If you haven't checked out my 12 days in Italy itinerary, I'll link that video in the description so you can check out that video after you finish watching this one. I like having a backpack as a personal item. It allows you to be hands-free as well. It also fits underneath the seat in front of you, but it also provides some other features that I find very useful. So the side pockets, this side I use for my water bottle. Pro tip, bring an empty water bottle, so once you go through security you can fill that up with water and save some money on the expensive water in airports. Also, I use the other side for a travel umbrella. So utilize those compartments and I can easily walk through the airport or wherever I'm traveling. If I'm walking to my Airbnb or the train station, if I get thirsty, I can easily pull this off from the side, get a drink of water. I find that really handy. Also, this backpack has dual zippers on all of the compartments, and this is great if you want to get little locks to zip each of these compartments. So if it's your backpack's behind you, you can have it locked to prevent anyone behind you, and if you're in a crowded train station or airport, from getting into your bag if it's on your back, as opposed to in front of you or next to you. So I do like that feature of this backpack. It also has a little pocket here, so you can have your ID or passport and keep it hidden from people right here on your back if you would like that option. We're going to use my 12-day Italy trip as inspiration for packing today. And for that trip, I traveled the end of April, beginning of May. The temperature was around 50 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and there was on and off chances of rain during this trip. So we're gonna start with the right-hand side where we're gonna pack all of our clothes. Since there was a chance of rain, I am bringing a rain jacket, which I'm gonna pack first and just spread that out at the bottom. Then I utilize packing cubes for packing clothes. I find that they keep me organized. You don't have to use packing cubes. I find that if I don't use packing cubes, I can get the same number of clothes. So it's not that they're saving me space or compressing these necessarily. Sometimes they can, just depends on the clothing item, but I find that they keep me organized. So in this packing cube, I have all of my bottoms, so a couple pairs of pants, my pajama shorts that also double as athletic shorts to work out in, or a swimsuit cover up. I have a swimsuit here, a scarf, a cardigan, and a maxi skirt as another bottom option. In this packing cube, I have all of my tops. So 3 long sleeve shirts, 3 short sleeve shirts, another scarf, and a couple tank tops for layering options. All of my clothes can mix and match to maximize the number of outfits that I have. And then my last packing cube, this is all of my undergarments. So underwear, socks, all of that is in the smaller packing cube. I like to put a folded up grocery sack because you never know when you're gonna need just a random grocery sack. We are planning on doing laundry halfway through the trip to maximize our options. I have a little laundry bag to wash my undergarments in. And then I also bring a spare drawstring bag just in case I need another laundry bag, even though the suitcase comes with one, or if I need a backpack or drawstring bag. Okay, now moving on to the other side. So this is just an empty pocket. So we're gonna start with shoes first. They tend to be heavy, bulky items, and I like to put them at the bottom of the suitcase to weigh the suitcase down. In this shoe bag, I have 3 pairs of shoes, some casual shoes, a pair of flip-flops, and then some nicer sandals. You can use a shoe bag for your shoes or a grocery bag or any sort of bag will do. I do like putting my shoes in bags to keep all of the dirt and grime that I have walked on throughout the day confined and that it doesn't transfer to any of my other items. So shoes here at the bottom. I also brought another smaller bag on my trip to Italy. This is a smaller side backpack that I could use as a purse or a backpack, and this was really nice when I was climbing Mount Vesuvius or just walking around since it just goes cross body. So I just lay this flat. Okay, next item is my DOP kit. This is a clear DOP kit that I got way back in college as a birthday gift for my roommate. So shout out Carly if you're watching this video. I still have this after all these years. So this holds all of my non-liquids bathroom supplies. So deodorant, comb, brush, floss, other bathroom supplies, hair ties, all in here. And then I have my makeup bag. So this has all of my makeup. I do have a travel blow dryer. I know lots of Airbnbs and most every hotel has a hairdryer, but there was one Airbnb when we were traveling to Italy that we could not find the hairdryer. And luckily my friend had a hairdryer with her, so we were able to use hers. But I pack one now. This is a travel one and it can be used in the United States as well as abroad. So it's a travel hairdryer. And then I do pack my toothbrush, so I do have an electric toothbrush. Pack that right there. A belt that is reversible, so I can wear that with many different outfits. And then I do have a small travel straightener, so I can do my hair. So that is all that I'm packing on this side. If you notice, I have some little crevices or areas which I could store more stuff. So if you have other items that you need to store, you can put them here, or this does leave me room for any souvenirs or anything that I may be bringing back. I have some extra room. Okay, the away suitcase does have a lock to lock your zippers. So if you do need to check your bag or just want extra security, you can lock this for some extra protection. It is TSA approved, so if they do need to get into your bag, if this bag happens to be checked, they can access this. Now, in packing the personal item, you want to pack anything of value in case your larger carry-on suitcase gets checked. You have your personal item with you and you have those valuable items with you, such as any prescriptions, any expensive jewelry, any camera equipment, any electronics. I like to have them in my personal item with me at all times. In this first zippered pocket, there are some dividers as well as another zippered pocket. I don't know if you can see it that well, but in this zippered pocket is where I put a pen in case you need to write anything down, as well as my keys. In one of the dividing pockets, I will put some wet ones so I can easily access those. I also have a little pouch with all my jewelry. My glasses case I'll put here, sunglasses. I also have another portable charger in case my main one dies and I'm in the middle of charging that. I have a backup option. And then I'll also put a couple masks, because in this day and age you need some masks. I like this backpack because it opens up fully like a suitcase. So I have all this room, and I even have a side pocket. In this inside pocket is where I put my eye mask, because I like it completely dark when I sleep. So my eye mask. And then you may have been wondering about my liquids. So here's my liquids bag. I got this off of Amazon, and I've never had any issue traveling with this thick bag. In this bag, I have all of my medicine, prescriptions, or any medicine that I feel I won't be able to get the destination in which I'm traveling. So any painkillers, Band-Aids, motion sickness, I have in this bag. So I've used one of my packing cubes and actually have filled it with a blanket. So this is a small size blanket that I've rolled up into this packing cube. I don't know about you, but I get really cold on airplanes. I am just cold in general. So I do pack my own blanket, a travel size blanket. I made the mistake once of not packing anything on the plane, and I was freezing at my layover. So I purchased this very expensive blanket, in which I still use today. So this is great to have as a pillow or a blanket. I use this blanket on the airplane. I even use it when I'm at an Airbnb for an extra layer in case that Airbnb is really cold. So I pack a blanket. You don't necessarily have to, but I do pack that. This is my electronics. So here I have all of my electronic cables, my travel adapter. I even have a mini noise machine, portable Bluetooth speaker. So here's all my electronics. Again, there is room here if you need to pack additional items or souvenirs. You have that. And then in this back pocket, it is a padded pocket, so you can put a laptop. The first thing I'm gonna pack in this pocket is this folder. There's nothing in this folder right now, but when I traveled to Italy, I had printed out our itinerary and all of the tickets that we had purchased in advance. I'd printed out and placed in this plastic folder to protect them so they wouldn't get wet. In case our devices didn't work or the location didn't accept a mobile ticket, we had paper copies. Also packed a crossbody bag, so lots of bag options. This was nice for just walking around, so I took all the contents pretty much out of this to flatten it out and placed it in here. On top of all those items, I put my travel wallet. So this is a thin, pared down version of my normal wallet. I have a couple credit cards and my ID. And then last is my passport holder. So need that if you're traveling abroad. And finally, a travel size umbrella. This fits in my black crossbody purse, so it's perfect size, but I store it here in one of the side pockets. And then on this other side pocket is where I place my water bottle. And that is my personal item. So that is what I pack. And then to add to that, I do wear a jacket on the plane. So for my Italy trip, I brought a jean jacket as another layering option. And I wore my bulkiest shoes, my tennis shoes. So that's how I pack carry-on only. I hope you found this video useful and got some good information out of it. If you liked it, then click the like button. Also click the subscribe button, that'll really help out my channel. I have more videos coming in the future, and I hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.